Good morning to all my awesome friends. This is an invitation video for our Alice in Wonderland Tea Party collab. It's going to be on Tuesday, April the 20th. Upload time is 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Title your video Alice in Wonderland Spring Tea Party. Your hashtag for this is going to be Alice in Wonderland Tea Party. The rules must be subscribe to all hostess channels, must mention the hostess in your video, link your channel along with your playlist to your description box. 3. If you like to participate, please comment down below and say, "Hello, Alice." 4. Have some Alice in Wonderland fun. The playlist will be available 3 days before the collab. Please add your video as soon as it is available. See you guys. Well, those are the rules. Now, let Grandma tell you what's happening with hers. These are just clips that I've done in the past, so if you want to go back and see what this all went to, go back and check what I've done for the month of April. I have really went all out, and you're going to see lots of beautiful things coming up your way. Now, stay to the very end, and I'm going to give you a little sneak peek, a little bit of what we might be doing for my video. Now, keep in mind, I've went down that rabbit hole, and I'm a little on the crazy side. So, I love Alice in Wonderland. Well, let's go back to what I should be talking about today. The hostesses for this is Glamour Ellen, Grandma Sandy, Annette of Annette and Place, Renter Love Luxury by M, Elegant Design by B, Design Style with Stacy, DIY Design with CCW, Loving My Babies Forever, and Create with Miss K. These are all awesome creators, and they all do beautiful things on their channel. Please go over and check every one of these awesome creators out and see what they do. Also, please check the playlist. There is going to be a lot more awesome creators that are going to join in on this challenge. And I know they're all going to come up with some beautiful, beautiful things. And I want you to make sure you don't miss any of the beautiful things they do. Please watch their videos all the way to the end, because every one of these awesome creators put a lot of time, effort, and money into creating such beautiful things for you to enjoy. And I want you to spend a little bit of time back watching those beautiful videos you're going to see. And these are all awesome creators, and it's important that we support each other as much as possible and give them the love and recognition that they deserve for all their time and effort putting these wonderful videos together for a wonderful, magical time at Alice in Wonderland. And here is a little sneak peek at what Grandma is going to be doing on hers. Now, this is just a little tiny little bit. I did all my shooting for Alice in Wonderland, this challenge, outside, as you can see. And there is Alice peeking through. And look at the giant mushrooms. Oh my gosh, isn't Wonderland wonderful? Oh, I can't wait to share it with you. Please make sure you come by and check out what everyone did. I'm sure they'll all be amazing. And as you can see, Grandma went down that rabbit hole pretty far. And it's pretty awesome, I thought. Come on now. Don't forget, stay to the very end. Kisses and hugs for all of you that did. And look, your reward. You got a little bit, a sneak peek of what Grandma is going to be doing. And there's Alice going through Alice in Wonderland. Wonderland is a wonderful place full of wonderment. Please don't miss it. It's going to be a great, great challenge with some great, great content. Don't forget, watch to the end.